Hello guys, here is why VSCode extensions is very important. And if you've been coding without the needed VSCode extensions, here are things you're missing. And you're finding code very hard just because of missing these extensions. Let's watch this till the end and see how you can make your code smooth and easy and prevent bugs just installing VS Code extensions. Here are the extensions you need to make your code smooth and better. When you go to VS Code, where you see the extensions, just go to the search and write ES7. We have the ES7 React. This is very good and very important as a React developer and JavaScript. It helps you in debugging. It helps you to find code errors. We have the auto rename tag. In case you change the opening tag, it automatically renames. In case you rename the opening tag, it automatically renames the closing tag, hence saving you time. We also have the ESLint. This is very good as in your coding. ESLint is very important in such a way that ESLint it helps maintain quality code. It prevents bugs in such a way that it automatically finds bugs and informs you that this is a bug so that you can fix it, and it helps you know that you have made a certain mistake somewhere. So that you can easily write clean code which can help to save you time and make your code of a good quality, which helps you to make your work faster and simple, hence making you a better developer. So following all this will also add on your career as a software developer. Those are the extensions that you need, and you will never be very confident if you don't have these extensions. So use them, you'll thank me later. So in case you have not yet subscribed, just hit the subscribe button and just follow each and everything is posted so that you don't miss anything. So thanks for watching.